This video will cover how to pair your new wireless Chime to your smart Wi-Fi doorbells using the Feit Electric app. Start off by connecting your wireless Chime to a USB power adapter. Now, open your Feit Electric app. Select the doorbell that you want to pair to the Chime. If the blue light is not flashing, press the reset button located on the back of the Chime. Tap the pen icon in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Scroll down until you find the bell option. Then, tap it. Tap Chime Type. Then, select Wireless Chime. Tap Add to connect the Chime to the doorbell. Be sure the blue status light is blinking while pairing. You will hear an audible tone when the Chime is successfully paired. You can also pair the Chime manually. First, make sure the blue status light is blinking rapidly. Then, press the doorbell button. You will hear an audible tone once the Chime has been successfully connected. Then, go back to your doorbell settings and select Bell. Next, add your Chime following the previous steps to obtain your Chime's full range of settings. You can adjust the volume of your Chime, or change the type of Chime. Now you will know when anyone rings your doorbell from anywhere in your house. Congratulations! You have successfully paired your wireless Chime to your smart Wi-Fi doorbell.